Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. It's been a little while since I've uploaded any kind of cleaning content, and that is just because being heavily pregnant, it's getting very difficult to do so. But I did officially start maternity leave today, so I'm kind of in the mood to kind of get the house into a bit more of an organised way. This isn't a deep clean by any means because I've got a plan to be deep cleaning a room per day when I properly get on maternity leave. So as today's the first day, I just wanted to get the house a bit more organised, so that's what this is. And guys, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'm really close to my target of 1,200 subscribers. And if you do enjoy the video, give it a big thumbs up as well. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. I did just quickly want to point out the boxes in the conservatory that you can see that just look really messy. They are going to the tip tomorrow afternoon, but I don't have anywhere in the car to put them at the moment, so I've just left it out there. So please excuse the mess in the conservatory.
I've been watching you from a distance as I turn out all the lights. All I want from you is to listen and remember the good times. If you think of all that we leave out, is that weird you're feeling good? I know nothing ever turned out as you wanted to, but every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Till the morning light. Yeah, I know I will learn it the hard way, 'cause I just can't leave it be. And I don't really care what they say, it's all about you and me. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. that to change your mind. For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a...
So please excuse the state of how I look. I look how I feel, which is like being dragged through a hedge, backwards, sideways, anyways. But yeah, that is where I'm going to end today's video. I know I haven't cleaned like too in-depthly. That wasn't the purpose of this video. Obviously, I've recently just started maternity leave, as I explained at the beginning of the video. So I kind of just wanted the house to be a little bit more tidy and a bit more organised. So tomorrow I can start deep cleaning and doing like a job or like a room, depending on what it is a day, and start doing a bit more deep cleaning with the whole sort of room situation. I haven't filmed our room because our room is already pretty much clean, but it is very, very full of baby bits, my partner's work bits, and it's just really crammed full pack, and I can't even get in there to film properly. So I've done the rest of the house. Also, I've done George's room, bathroom, downstairs, kitchen, etc. So I feel like the house is I'm a bit more on top of it now. But that's how I'm going to end today's video. Like I say, going forward from here, I'm going to start doing like rooms a day or like odd jobs throughout the day. So I will film them as I go throughout the rest of the cleaning of the house. I'm starting to get in that nesting mood that comes with pregnancy. So I'm just kind of trying to want to organise everything as much as I can. But at least the house is now clean to start maternity fresh tomorrow. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as a viewer. I'm getting so close to my target of 1,200 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, hit the button, free to do so, it really helps me out. But yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. Have a lovely rest of your day and take care. Bye.